What is good? What is good? What is good, guys? Kingsley Joshua Trade Lord himself come to you live. Video 9 is here. Um Currently catching up to the market. Again, if you're not on video 9, right? Go all the way from the beginning. Don't start at video 9, or in the middle. Start at the beginning, work your way down, and bro, now you can see the process of how I built my charts to where I'm at right now. Um, but yeah, this gets started because I just got an alert set off on USD CHF JPY. We got a 4-hour break of structure. All is aligned. I'm setting my Robin trap the right way. I'm risking $100 to make $200, right? So with that being said, that's the break of structure over here. If you go on the 4-hour chart, we have the 4-hour break of structure because we had this low. Last two confirmation was here. This is the high, and we broke the high right there. Do a continuation up basically on the daily, the weekly, and the monthly too as well. We're not done with the upside. So on the 1 hour, what I'm looking for, since we got the new high, right? We broke structure. This candle broke structure. We got the new high. From this new high now, last two confirmation, that was yellow to the left, right? This candle's by itself. This candle's by itself. Last two yellow was right here. The lowest point to the right of these two candles right here is right here at this point. So we do point A, point B, and that's how we place our fib. Now fib is in still impulse mode until we come down to the very first retracement level, which is the 23.6 level, right? Until we get that confirmation, then we're in the situation, right? Until we get that confirmation, then we're in the situation. But if we don't get that confirmation and price continues up and goes past the 0 point, we're still in impulse mode, not a pullback. Impulse mode, not a pullback. All right. And always the extended candle, the high or the low needs to finish first, and then I need to see the next candle come down, be not violating this area at all. I need to see this candle come down to at least 23, or the next candle, or the next candle. But as long as no other candle exceeds this high, this would be a valid point, a valid fib to work on, basically. But until then, we're chilling, right? So we just planned it out like that. And that's the only signal I really got today. Yeah, we have this situation, which we didn't take no part of. We're chilling out. And ended up being a dud anyway, right? And then since we got stopped out there, we obviously made a new high over here. So I just got to catch up to the current market structure. And this is the current market structure now. This point A, last two confirmation that was bearish was right over here. And this is the lowest point. And I can zoom that in too. Lowest point. Boom. Here. Last two confirmations here. The lowest point to the right of the last two confirmation is this point right here. It surpassed this point. And if you go to the open and close numbers, remember what I said? So this low number is four. The last three is 404. You see on here 404, right? And the last low on this one is 407. 407 is higher than 404, so 404 is the lowest, and that is the break of structure, right? For the 1 hour currently right now. And also the 4 hour. So I can delete this right here. These are, and we're just still chilling. Even on the next setup that happens, we're still chilling because we're waiting for that fourth piece of the puzzle over there. And go back on this AUD trade, right? I mean this CHF JPY trade, where we are risking $100 to make $200. And the reason why we're doing that, let's break it down. I had the last big win over here, right? And then there's a bunch of mini wins right after that, right? We have 1, 2, which I would have took advantage of and would have slaughtered, right? Would have made money on both, 100 there and $50 there, so $150 in total. If I'm trading my this account right here, sway charts, this account right here. This is where we at. Also got this NZD trade. I think I got a signal to delete that order actually. I gotta check that out before. Pretty sure I got that. I'll check it out. Let's move on. So we have 1, 2. We got that, and then we got 3, 4, 5. So after 4, that's when I take involved, right? I would have put $25 here, loss. Put $50 here, loss. And the next one, and I'll put 100 to make 200 on this account right here. I have no current positions in. I just have this order in, which I gotta check out. Let's check out NZD really fast and see if we need to delete that. So I did that one. This one we're still waiting for a 4-hour break of structure, which looks like it's about to do very soon. Still waiting for a 4-hour break of structure here. Still waiting for a. Well, we got the 4-hour break of structure now, and we got stopped out. So you get stopped out. Let's catch up to the market here. And I didn't get stopped out. The position got stopped out. I didn't take this trade. So we have this high. Last 2 confirmations here. So they pull it up, and this is the new low for the 4-hour, which is comes close. Actually, out the 1 hour. But we're still chilling out. We're not waiting for a 4-hour break structure anymore. Just skip the next setup. Gotta leave those notes. 4-hour break of structure we're waiting for here. This one got stopped out. We're just chilling out. 4-hour structure still the same. Everything. Just chilling out, waiting for this thing to get out of structure, break structure, or 1 hour. Do a continuation. Then we take action after that. All right, so NZD did get stopped out here. So I would have had my limit order over here. Reason why? Because I had this win and then this mini win. I was expecting another mini win here, risking $100 to make $50. And currently, I got to delete that because this position got stopped down. It's no longer valid. So now, since it's no longer valid, I can delete this order, and it's deleted. I delete a lot of orders, right? Delete a lot of orders. This doesn't get filled, but when they do get filled, these are trades that I took today. So we made $100, like around $100, and then we lost 43. on that last setup. Uh, if I go to the actual uh, all history, then you can see where we're at right now. So this current week, well, we've been slamming the market. As you can see, we had one, two, three, four losses, and one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine wins in recent status right now. And if we zoom down now, so for this the beginning, we had little rough patches. I actually risked a little bit more than I usually do, and then guess what? We came right back slapping, making all that back, and then we're currently at now. So technically, this count went down to like I dropped it from 700, like negative. It was -$700. Then I built it right back up to the to break even point, and now we're in profit to do my my withdrawal soon. As soon as I get this to 400 again, do another withdrawal. But yeah, looking good. So we're chilling here. Let's actually mark up this chart a little bit better and catch up. So currently, all right. So this is now the new high of the daily. From that high, last two confirmation is still here, and this is still low, so that doesn't change on the breaker structure. We go down to the 4 hour now. This is our new high again, and with the new high, last two confirmation was could be here. Let's see. The open and close is different. Yes, it is. That is not a doji. Boom. And that is new brick structure point 4 hour there. And I'm just now we're just chilling, but we're waiting for the risk $100 to make $50 again soon. But till then we're chilling. So chilling for the next setup. Now here, let's see here. Oh, that goes to 1 hour, duh. Yeah, this one did not count. So he went down. And this is now the new monthly high, new daily high. That goes to the month. As you can see on the month, no new two count formation is developed over here. This is still the two count formation, so that is still the breaker structure point on the monthly. Same thing on the weekly. We have the new high, but no new no new two count formation during the high of this during this rally up. So this is still the breaker structure point. And the daily, same thing, same exact thing. Let me change that. And then 4 hour. Now the 4 hour broke structure, which we wanted, right? We definitely wanted it. And then came down. Oh, my bad. I was doing that on a 4 hour. Walling. So technically the 4 hours. Yeah, because we made this new high. Right? We made this new high. And then we broke structure with this two confirmation here. This is the breaker structure point. We broke structure. And then we're basically in down structure. And we're basically waiting for the 4 hour to be in up structure again. But yeah, this we don't have to get some downward movement soon. Cause yeah, these daily and weekly needs to do a pullback, so that's another thing that counts. But we'll follow along, having the same game plan. 318. Boom. And yeah, this one, what are we doing on this one? Oh, because we got double wins in a row. This win, irrelevant, and then this win. So 2 wins in a row. I'm definitely going for probabilities wise. To have this thing fail to do another one of these, and fail to do another one of these, and hitting the negative 27 level for my entry, we're going down. I'm just waiting for the next setup. So we have a 4 hour, this 4 hour structure right now. We're a down structure. Again, this is the 4 hour structure, and then on the 1 hour, you see that 2 count. We're still down structure, but we don't do anything on the 1 hour to the 4 hour break structure. That's the rules. So here, all we're doing is waiting for 4 hour, and it's a lot of waiting and trading, guys. A lot of waiting and trading, and that's how I make money. You make money by waiting. All right, 4 hour brick structure is what we're looking for. So we're looking for this thing to still brick structure. And I think this is like a demo trade that I'm taking. And same thing here for the USD JPY, man. Look, waiting for that 4 hour break of structure. Here, Bitcoin. We're still in up structure on the 4 hour, but it's hold on for dear tight life. And we're down structure on the 1 hour, and it's pressuring off. So we could be breaking that 4 hour break of structure very soon. Um, yeah. And 4 hour break structure. Well, we're up structure on the weekly, on the monthly. We're up structure on the weekly, and up structure on the daily. So yeah, this thing breaks structure on the 4 hour. You just gotta wait for a 4 hour break structure. But until then, wait. We're chilling. And then probabilities wise, this already had this win, and then it had this mini win, and then so I had a mini win, and then it had an actual win here. So after that, 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Let's get it. And then we're back at where I started. All right. So that's currently what we've got going on now. And like I said before, look at that. We're impulsing still. So I just making new highs. As long as it doesn't make no new 2 count formations and then go past that 0 point, this break of structure is still remain the same for the 1 hour at least until that happens. All right. But yeah, that's just about it, guys. Hope you enjoyed video 9. We'll speak soon. Let's get it. Doing a good job on this account. And I'll do another funding challenge soon. So get ready for that. Might try what's it called? Funding pips or something like that. I'll try a 25K account. Try it out. Still waiting for the Royal Challenge to come back. My 400K is being held up hostage from the funded trader. but that's another story. Deuces.